Public land mule deer hunting in the desert is one of the toughest challenges in western hunting. It's hot, it's exposed, and it's big. So big it feels like finding a needle in a haystack. But when you learn how to read this country right, that haystack gets a lot smaller. This is how I break down desert terrain to find and kill mature bucks. No outfitters, no shortcuts, just pure public land work. Everything out here revolves around survival. These bucks aren't moving far if they don't have to. I focus on areas that offer three things: shade, feed, and escape. Sage flats might look empty, but if you follow the subtle contour lines, little cuts, fingers, breaks, you'll find pockets bucks live in all season. Glassing in the desert is a mental game. It's hot and often dead quiet. Most guys glass too fast and leave. I sit for hours. Watch the shade line, look for the flick of the ear, a glint of an antler, dust kicked up by hooves. The desert hides bucks in plain sight. You just have to be patient enough to see them. Once you find a shooter buck, the stalk is everything. Desert stalks are unforgiving. You've got to use every fold, every brush clump, every grain of wind. I plant stalks around thermals and shadows. If I can't get the wind right, I wait. These bucks will blow out if they so much as smell a whisper of you. Public land deer hunting out here isn't about having perfect conditions. It's about making the most of hard conditions. Wind, heat, pressure, long hikes, busted stalks. It all builds toward that one clean opportunity. At the end of the day, it's not about luck. It's about grinding, learning, and adjusting, and earning every yard of dirt between you and that buck. If you want a desert giant, you have to hunt like you mean it. Appreciate you watching. If you're out there grinding like the rest of us, hit that subscribe button. There's more coming, from real hunts to gear setups and everything I've learned chasing these ghosts in the desert.